Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm so happy to share with you an exciting summer transformation and unboxing a brand new hair system. The one I'll be using today is the Quantum Remy from Lordhair. This incredible hair system features a predominantly lace base with skin base on the back and sides. Not only is it incredibly lightweight, but it's also designed to offer optimal breathability, making it an absolute must-have for the summer season. First thing first, haircut. And this time I'm going for blonde, so I order a color number 22, and I'll be first starting off by using the purple shampoo to banish any unwanted yellowness to ensure a kind of cool tone blonde. Just after about 10 minutes, the hair transformed into a stunning platinum-ish blonde shade, and now I'm ready to apply the tapes around the system. 4 fingers above your eyebrow, that's where typically your hairline is located, and then gently press the hair system onto your head. So what do you think of my new hair? I'm absolutely in love with the light shade, and it's perfect for music festivals and summer vacations. The best part about wearing a hair system is that I can switch up the color and hairstyle whenever I feel like it. Plus, I've decided not to bleach my own hair on the sides or the back to avoid any damage. Instead, I'll simply trim them even shorter to create a smoother transition and reduce the contrast. Thank you so much.